We literally have one chance at this. If it rains, if it snows, if the equipment doesn't work, that's it. 4-hour gap, one day, get the shot. Let's get to work. So, it's been a lot of planning to get here. Mr. Ric Frazier behind the camera today. He's assisting me and he's also DITing on this film that we're working on. We're in Niagara Falls, Ontario. This is a really weird place because it borders the US. It feels like the US while you're here. Airspace is extremely restricted and it's been really difficult to get permission to fly here. So we're about to take off for the first time. We're gonna film that Ferris wheel over there with the falls behind it. First flight in the book, Niagara Falls, Ontario. Class F restricted special use airspace. Very tricky, but doable. Don't let that scare you. We just got some incredible shots. Now we're on to some shots of the actual waterfalls. We're gonna get a bit closer to them later today. And then tomorrow is where that's where the juicy shots are happening. We're gonna be right down, I'm not gonna tell you yet. You'll find out in a few minutes. Okay, bye. It's windy. So we're warmed up now. We've got a little bit of an audience. Getting a feel for it and tickling very close to the US border, which we're not crossing. This drone is literally over Niagara Falls. Trying to mentally process that while also focusing on getting the shots to take off again because we got a generator running and it's getting our batteries charging. Golden hour, it's October, so golden hour is at 4:30 p.m. Giant waterfall in front of me, the DJI Inspire 2. We're shooting for Fireside Pictures today. These are the most epic shots. This is the most epic flight, definitely the one I've ever done. Maybe anyone's ever done of all time. We're about to take off here. We got a 24mm lens on the Inspire 2. Punched in a little bit because the sensor does crop. It's a Super 35 sensor. We're gonna go up, we're gonna get a shot of that. We're gonna get shots of the falls with the sun behind it, and then that'll be a wrap on day one. Tomorrow, we're gonna be in an even crazier location, so 1 month straight of prep for this, so cool to see it all come together in real life, so let's take off. This is like one entire month of planning for where I am right now. Shout out Josie from Fireside Pictures. You've been an amazing producer to work with. Shout out all the people from Fireside and Origin Camera Rental and Niagara Parks Police and Transport Canada. A lot of people had to come together to make this happen. Constable Pacente, Constable Shiegel, legends. I'll show you in a second. Getting a little soaked. You ready for this? This is our drone site. This is our launch site for this morning. I'm actually gonna cry. I don't know if it's tears or mist. Have a look. Truly, like, what? Can't believe this. Niagara Falls, a bunch of water falling off a cliff. Magnificent, and it makes me really thirsty when I look at it. Over here, we have the USA. That's Buffalo, New York. International border is in the middle of this gorge here, which is why this is such a tricky space to fly a drone. This is a Class F restricted special use airspace. Please do not come here and try to fly a Mavic Mini or something like that. Really just a matter of safety and not ruining it for drone operators all over. Can get permission to fly here. It takes a little bit of effort. Drop a comment below if you want to know more about the process of how we did this. Today, we're flying for a movie. The plan today is to follow our actors on the zip line with views of Niagara Falls, plus some epic shots, more epic than we did yesterday. I don't even know how it's going to be possible. Yesterday was incredible. I didn't want to fly down into the water yesterday because I couldn't see. I was over the top. It's going to be a great day, so we're going to get set up. The sun's rising. Beautiful morning in October. Let's make it happen. shot. We're trying to get the zip line and the waterfalls, and we're on 24 mil with a crop sensor. I think over the zip line is going to be our best option. I'm going to roll on this just to have it. Holy shit, that's nice. Preliminary flight, looking good so far. Sun's rising, so we're gonna have to keep changing NDs as the sun gets higher, but it's looking incredible, and we're gonna get shot. We're absolutely gonna get shot. It's like mentally processing while also focusing on getting the shot, while also yelling because of loud waterfalls, going for a shot of the day. Everything beyond the shot is just gravy.
Okay, here we go, and action!
On a lot of the drones, you can select things and auto track them, do like all these cool shots, but over time I got used to using my fingers, and it really helps when you're flying a drone like this, because this drone doesn't have the fancy assists that mini ones do, like the Mavic series ones. This lanyard's taken the weight of the remote off my hands, and then I'm able to fine tune my controls. So we got 2 joysticks and our camera gimbal tilt. That's pretty much it. So we got the shot. Well, there you have it. This has been the most incredible drone flight operation ever that I've ever done. Thank you to all the people involved: Niagara Parks Police, Transport Canada, Fireside Pictures, Origin Camera Rental, Mr. Ric Frazier behind the camera, being the most legendary assistant that I've ever had. And just shout out to the world for being a very, very beautiful place. And shout out to you for watching this. Hope you learned something from this video. If you want to ask questions about how we did this, please drop a comment, shoot me a message, whatever you got to do to reach me. Be happy to share with you the process. It was quite technical, so I don't want to bore you with it in this video. But if you want a video about that, definitely make it happen. There goes the drone. Thank you, Inspire 2. See you on another video.